the need for chaos testing has evolved in the modern times. It's primarily evolved because the regulations around the banking have put focus on operational resilience. Are you avoiding the concentration of risk that eventually results in operational resilience issues? And how are you assuring to your end users that you are tuning your systems, services, such a way that there are enough tolerance limits or set so that you can avoid those disruptions? Also, how are you assuring that you're doing something beyond the regular testing, right, and monitoring? Banking regulations and compliance to that has become one of the driving factors for adoption of chaos engineering as a technology in the DevOps and SRE patterns of banking stack.
What is chaos engineering? Chaos engineering is about proactively injecting faults into your system to identify and observe what is happening within your system. It is to validate the design that you have done for your architecture and make sure that it works in the expected manner. It is about building a culture of resilience across your organization in times when there are unexpected outages and events. The major myth that we see with chaos engineering is that it can only happen in production and that it might cause failures, which might lead to unexpected outages. So, to bust that myth, we would say that you can practice this in lower environments as well. The development environments can be made, or the pre-prod environments can be utilized for chaos testing. And then once you have confidence in your system, once you have built in that recovery in your system, you can move to higher environments.
The banking systems are much more complex now, considering a wide bouquet of services being added. The functions and operations are interconnected and also have dependencies on third-party providers, resulting in increased interdependency and higher concentration risk. Operational resilience for banks today is even more important than financial resilience, as a dearth of operational resilience could lead to financial volatility. Chaos testing helps you better prepare with unplanned situations, thereby limiting the unplanned outages. Also, there is a need now to comply with operational resilience regulations laid out by regulatory authorities. And not to miss, chaos testing is critical since it helps to fill gaps in your disaster recovery planning.